Winds gusting between 30 and 55 miles an hour swept through our region overnight, causing tree damage and power outages. Crews from Green Mountain Power spent the night restoring electricity to more than 20,000 customers, and they had help from Burlington Electric as well as from crews hailing from Maine and New Hampshire. At last check, there were just shy of 600 Vermonters and a little more than 300 New Yorkers still in the dark.
When you have trees down and power lines down, it's always good to remind customers to not touch down lines or down trees. They can be energized, and just to give us a call.
Here you can see damage from across the region, and this photo from NVU Linden shows a tree on campus that the strong winds snapped. In Montpelier, these photos show huge branches and trees tangled in power lines. And here, a similar photo from GMP, and then one that you're going to see right here of a trampoline tossed up against a building after being blown around like a feather.